With the available 12.3-inch color touchscreen, drivers can take advantage of a customizable layout and easy control of audio functions, vehicle settings, and the available navigation system. Before using the system, set the vehicle power to accessory or on. The touchscreen is divided into A and B zones. The A zone is the main touchscreen, where you'll find all your apps. The B zone allows you to view additional information. Swipe up or down to view different cards, including audio source, compass, and if equipped, power flow and navigation. From any app, you can simply press the Home button to bring up the home screen. To go back to previously viewed screens, press the Back button. Just below the display is the audio system's power and volume knob. Turn the knob to turn the system on. Push it to turn the system off. Once on, turn the knob to increase or decrease volume. Several audio remote buttons on the left side of the steering wheel let you adjust the volume, change the audio source, and use the seek and skip functions. Simply press the Seek Skip button to cycle between preset radio stations, or press and hold to cycle through radio stations with strong signals. Should you need to reboot the audio system, simply press and hold the Home button for 5 seconds. Press the Home button and swipe through the home screens to browse the apps. Tap and hold a home screen app to open Customizing mode. You can drag and drop apps to reposition them on home screen or move them to another screen. To remove an app from the home screen, simply drag it to hide at the top of the screen. Press Home or Back to return to the home screen. Shortcut keys are found to the left of the A zone. Use them to access the most used controls. To customize shortcuts, tap and hold a home screen app to open Customizing mode. Select Edit Shortcuts. Then, drag and drop the icon. Select Home or Back to return to the home screen. Note that some shortcuts cannot be edited, such as Home and Back. At the top of the B zone, you'll find the status bar. Press it to view system status in the A zone. System status lets you view recent vehicle system messages. Select an item to see the details. When finished, select Home or Back. Choose the Clock Settings tab to adjust the clock, including the time format. For your safety, you'll find that some screen functions are grayed out and inoperable while driving. You can activate the vehicle's voice recognition system while driving by pressing the Talk button on the steering wheel, then speaking your command. Note that if you press and hold the Talk button, it will activate your compatible smartphone's voice service instead if connected. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.